Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to block Clipboard permissions on Google Chrome for your PC. This new update enhances your privacy by preventing websites from accessing your Clipboard data. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. If you don't have it running yet, simply locate the Chrome icon and double-click to launch it. Next, navigate to the site you want to restrict Clipboard access for. Enter the website's URL in the address bar and press Enter. Once the page loads, you're ready for the next step. Now, look for the icon next to the web address in the address bar. This icon usually looks like a padlock or an information symbol. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu that provides site information. From this menu, select View Site Information. This will take you to a new window displaying various permissions related to that specific site. Next, click on Site Settings. This option allows you to manage permissions for the website you are currently visiting. In the Site Settings menu, find the section labeled Clipboard. Here, you will see options that control how this site interacts with your Clipboard data. Finally, next to Clipboard, choose the option to Block. This action will prevent the site from accessing any text or images stored in your Clipboard. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively block Clipboard permissions on Google Chrome. This ensures that your sensitive information remains secure while browsing online. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from enhancing their privacy settings in Chrome. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your browsing experience.